So I let an A, I read my health reports, my diet notes, and my workout logs. And it basically roasted me. It's like, yeah, so you've been saying you'll fix your sleep schedule for 3 years. How's that going? Ha ha ha. I'm like, NotebookLM, I didn't ask for therapy. But jokes aside, this thing is insane. And by the end of this video, I'm showing you exactly how to use it to organize literally everything in your life. Your files, your notes, your chaos, all of it. Ready? Let's go. So what is NotebookLM exactly? Think of it like Google's note-taking AI that actually understands context. Not just keyword searching, real understanding. But the magic really starts when you start asking questions. You can say, should I fast for 36 hours a week based on my health reports? And it'll pull info from every source, your medical data, your videos, your books, and give you an answer that actually makes sense. Not random guesses, not internet fluff, just solid, grounded answers. It's like having your own AI doctor, researcher, and coach rolled into one, minus the judgmental stares. Now, here's the part that caught me off guard. NotebookLM doesn't save or train on your uploads. So if you forget to hit save to note, your genius discovery disappears forever. I'm talking vanished into digital thin air. I learned that the hard way. So yeah, take it from me. If you see something useful, hit that save button like your life depends on it. Ha 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 ha! And it's not just for personal use, you can build notebooks for anything. Got a bunch of camera manuals? Add them all in and ask, how do I update my monitor firmware? Instant answer. Doing your taxes? Upload reports, documents, and spreadsheets, then ask, can you help me file my taxes? Done. Recruiting candidates? Toss in resumes, performance rubrics, and interview notes, and NotebookLM will summarize each person's strengths and weaknesses for you. It's like the tool that finally understands the chaos of adult life. But the real showstopper is when you use it for work projects. You can upload meeting transcripts, plans, and strategy docs, and ask it to summarize everything or even write a recap email. It'll highlight your key action items and pull insights from similar past projects. Basically make you look like you have your life together even when you don't. Ha 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 ha. And just when you think you've seen it all, NotebookLM can talk back, well, kind of. You can ask it to generate personalized podcast summaries of your notebooks. That's either peak multitasking or just plain nerdy. Either way, I'm here for it. But here's the real kicker. It can handle up to 25 million words per notebook. That's not a typo. 25 million. For comparison, ChatGPT handles about 100,000 words. Claude, around 200,000. Gemini's at 750,000. But NotebookLM, 25 million. It's basically the elephant of AI tools. Never forgets a thing. Now, it's not all perfect. It's super accurate, but not very creative. But if you care about precision, if you want your facts straight and your sources clear, this is your tool. So if your world's a messy mix of files, videos, and notes scattered everywhere, NotebookLM might just be the secret weapon you didn't know you needed. It's smart, it's fast, and it actually makes sense. Now, if you found this helpful, do me a favor. Smash the like button, subscribe for more weekly breakdowns of tools that actually make your life easier. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out. If A, I can already organize our chaos, connect the dots, and talk back in podcasts, what happens when it starts thinking ahead of us? Yeah, now that's a future worth taking notes on. Thanks for watching.